Premier League clubs nyinaa se yɛmmra meeting ɛwɔ Accra. Na yɛkɔɔyɛ no nsɛm dodoɔ no a na yɛaka ho asɛm no ɛwɔ krataa no mu no ɛna yɛkɔbɔbɔ ho wɔ hɔ a efi no nso ankyɛ koraa no wɔn de deɛ sisi a krataa aba yɛfrɛ no the Enhanced Match Day Safety and Security Protocols 2025. Ìtọ́fà bọ́ ní sẹ́ DFA fọ́ mmara a wɔn apagya mu sɛ ɛmɛka mmara dada a ɛwɔ ho no ho na ɛberɛ a yɛbɛakɔbɔ bɔɔlo baabi ara no saa mmara yi bɛtumi abɔ players ne supporters ne obi biara club officials nyinaa ho ban a ɛnkɔfa basabasayɛ ne atoyerɛnkyɛm kɛseɛ asi ebi mma biom. Na mbɛkaeɛ a ɛno akyi no kɔtɔkɔ ɛfiri nsa frɛ yi sɛ nsɛm no a yɛde baeɛ no emu dodoɔ no ɛfa bambɔ ho nsɛm no deɛ wɔn de aba wɔn krataa no mu. Na deɛ aka no a mɛka no sɛ broni bɛka sɛ long term na sɛ nyɛ nimu yaa na yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛbɛsie no ɛsiane sɛ mmarasɛm kakra ɛwɔ ho wɔn tu nsa frɛ sɛ ɛna wɔn bɛhyia na ɛno nso yɛnkɔbɔbɔ ho na yɛkɔ nkran ɛna wɔn kɔhyia yɛkɔsi yaa ne sɛ sɛ nka yɛpɛ sɛ baabi cameras mo match venue biara no ɛfɛ ɛma yɛhu sɛ mo nyinaa mo nim sɛ some of the facilities and the stadium no bi wɔ hɔ a ɛfɛ no ni so control anaasɛ nyɛ wɔn de a ɛna obɛhia the National Sports Authority no etumi nso na wɔn de ayɛ mene mo nyinaa so nim sɛ si a yɛkasa yi no the National Sports Authority yɛ mma mpanin nyambɔ mpanin biara sɛ ɔhwɛ so nti ama hɔ no ada mpan nti wɔn bɛsɛ sɛ ɛnumanimu yaa deɛ saa deɛ no ntumi ngrante saa request no na mmom yɛkɔ ne mu no wɔn bɛtumi adi ho dwuma ebere a ɛna ɛsɛ no bɛnya ɔpanin a ɔbɛda no sɛ Director General na wɔtumi abɛda no na wɔtumi afa saa kwan na ewum sɛ ɛfi no wɔn ayɛ bideɛ ɛnso no deɛ aka no nyinaa dodoɔ no akɔyɛ kata asɛm so nti deɛ aka no sɛ nyinaa mene mu nyinaa no yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ nneɛma dodoɔ no atumi ayɛ adwuma nti ɛna ehyiaeɛ a bɔhyɛ a kɔtɔkɔ yɛhyɛ no deɛ yɛdi kae to our supporters ne Ghanafoɔ nyinaa sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ mmara a Ghana Football Association akorokyerɛ gu nkrataa so sɛ ɛnyɛ adwuma no ne nyinaa bɛ adwuma sɛdeɛ ɛsɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛsiane sɛ yɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ yɛpɛ sɛ saa mmara no yɛ adwuma nti no yɛbɛyɛ susudua ama clubs no aka no ne sɛ yɛbɛ set good example na ma dodoɔ no di akyi nti yɛn no yɛhyɛ bɔ ɛfiri pɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ma ɛbɔ football saa mmara no ɛbɛdi so na ɔkyena bi sɛ obi ani so a yɛtumi anya the moral right no ɛtumi ateki ahye ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa yɛsɛ ɛnso ha bra no biara no yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ma nsesaeɛ sɛdeɛ da biara ewie mu ɛkɔ no wiase sesa no bɛyɛ nsesaeɛ papa a ɛnkɔyɛ sɛ yɛwie ne yɛate ada saa bi afie no bibi nsie a yɛkɔ pray for nsesaeɛ no yɛma no yɛnyɛ saa bere biara bra no biara yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ nsesaeɛ papa ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ yɛagodie no mu na ama biara nso atumi akɔ so na dodoɔ no ara deɛ mu nyinaa no magye security protocols ne nyinaa mo ate dada mo nim sɛ baade sɛ mohwɛ mu a mo so no mobɛboa yɛn ɛwɔ nkyerɛkyerɛ kwan so bere a moyɛ mo various programs na maka ɛno awie no ma me nka deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ court ne bambɔsɛm so kyɛn sɛ ɛberɛ a yɛdecide sɛ yɛde yɛ dwumadie wɔ bɔɔlobɔ nyinaa bɛto fam no nneɛma mmienu na ne yɛhwɛ sɛ GFA no ɛde nhyɛ papa bɛba a bɛsesa game no ɛtɔ so mmienu bi hu sɛ ɔman no itu bambɔfoɔ ɛbɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu ne ɛkwan bi a ɔmofa so biara sɛ nipa bɔnefoɔ a ɛdi saa wuo no so no yɛde ɔmo fa kwan papa so ɔmo yɛakoma ato ɛyɛ so far no mo nyinaa mo nim sɛ apolisifoɔ abɔ mmɔden nsa ka nipa nson ne mo kasa yi there are 7 accused persons a ɔmo gyina court deɛ di kan no ɔmo kye nipa mmiɛnsa ɛno yɛ first case ɛyɛ yɛwura abafoɔ wua ɛne ne bodyguard police ne bia mo nyinaa mo nim no na aberanteɛ baako ɛna akyire yi ɔmo saa ɛde nipa nsia so sɛ ɔmo hia ɔmo charge wɔm emu 9 ɛba court the first appearance na mmienu deɛ na polisifoɔ nya wɔn yɛ nso wɔn dwane ɛda ɛkɔɔ court n'ano ɛna baako bɛka ho na wade ne ho baeɛ sɛ mu no mu kasa ɛka nipa baako pɛ a apolisifoɔ se nipa wɔn hia wɔn no wɔn nya ano wɔn nso wɔn gu so yɛ nhwehwɛmu deɛ esi yɛ mprempren deɛ nipa wɔtwe apolisifoɔ ɛfɛ sɛ wɔn dɔm gyina court no baako a yɛde ka abɔ ne din sɛ Brahma a yɛfrɛ no Rasta no deɛ apolisifoɔ se wɔn nya no nkyɛn no nyame boa a nipa nson yɛ a esi wɔn wɔ apolisifoɔ nsɛm no emu nan court ama wɔn bail emu mmiɛnsa deɛ ne mu kasa yi wɔn gu so da aba koko mu a wɔn nya bail na nyame boa on the 3rd of March ɛna yɛbɛkɔ case yɛtɔ so mmienu no a yɛ nipa nsia no yɛakyagye wɔn no esan sɛ ɛno no esan sɛ saa nipa nsia no a yɛpɛ wɔn yɛnya emu num no a yɛ second case no because ne mu kasa polisifoɔ nya nka cases no mmienu emu omu maa ne yɛ baako lawyer say yɛ consolidate case no gyina so yɛ 2 cases the second case na yɛ nipa nsia a yɛakyagye wɔn no a yɛhu baako no ɛno na ɛreba so on the 3rd of March ɛno na emu mmiɛnsa wɔn nya bail no na mmerɛ mu no sɛ obi nya bail na sɛ ɔda polisifoɔ kuku mu a ɛsɛ na wɔtwe mmienu biara yɛde wɔn ba court nti ɛno ba so on the 3rd na the first case yɛ nipa mmiɛnsa a wɔn nyinaa wɔ bail no deɛ ɛno nso ɛreba so wɔ Sunyan district court bi hɔ no on the 10th of March saa mmerɛ polisifoɔ ahyɛ yɛbɔ sɛ ntutuo bi yɛ sɛ wɔn yɛ biara no wɔn gu so sɛ nipa a wɔn hia wɔn ɛne wɔn a further investigation bɛyi wɔn aba biara no nso no wɔn bɛnya wɔn ama yɛn nti Asante Kotoko bɔ obuku ɛne yɛ supporters nyinaa no deɛ yɛka ne sɛ yɛhwɛ anamɔ a Bambuku etuo ɛne deɛ Ghana Football Association wɔn nyɛ ne nyinaa deɛ wɔn yɛ mo nyinaa mo nim sɛ yɛfa bambɔ ho deɛ wɔn ayɛ dodoɔ no ara no nti no deɛ yɛka ne sɛ nyame boa ne sɛ yɛasrɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn yɛnsie yɛde hyɛ nana yɛ ofempɔn enwie ansa na yɛnyani ne ahoɔden koraa mpo de asa aba akɔprama so ɛnɛ gyina Kotoko IMC tumi so aka kyerɛ mo sɛ Ghana Football Association wɔn hyehyɛ after sɛ yɛayɛ the burial and the final prayers the late Nana Pole no a na sɛ wɔn tu yɛnsa frɛ afei deɛ yɛmmra akɔprama so a yɛbɛyɛ ahoboa sɛ afei deɛ yɛbɛsa abɔbɔ no bi yɛnyina soɔ ne sɛ mpanisi bɛrima bɛyɛ bi wɔn yɛn nyinaa yɛn ni asɔ anamontuo na wɔn tuo no yɛnim sɛ wɔn bɛtoa so saa ɛsan sɛ yɛbɛkɔ so asi wɔn so saa ne Ghanafoɔ nyinaa nso de wɔn ano atum ti no yɛnim sɛ kɔɔto deɛ o GFA deɛ o ne nyinaa no yɛbɛtoa so akɔ so ɛtɔ so biem mo nyinaa mo nim sɛ bɔɔlo bɔ yɛ nipa bi so adwuma wɔn yɛ yɛn nyinaa nso mmeranteɛ no yɛ obi a yɛn nso yɛhwɛ wɔn yɛwɔ contracts a ewu a ɛsɛ renew ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa yɛn nyinaa yɛhyɛ CAF ase CAF nso wɔn nhyehyɛeɛ a ebire bi do ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtumi submit clubs a wɔn bɛgyina Ghana nan mu ɛwɔ the next edition of CAF and Confederations Cup anim nti yɛkeka ne nyinaa bɔ mu no yɛgye di sɛ ɛbra so sɛ afei deɛ yɛtumi koraa yɛde hyɛ n'akyi koraa adeɛ a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛsa bɛbɔ bɔɔl no with the hope sɛ mo nyinaa mo bɛ gya yɛkyi na mewie koraa no mɛfa kɔnyɛ so na mada kurowura Asante Kotoko hene yɛn nyinaa ɔpɛnsoɔ sɛ ɛtutu biribi o ɛwɔ sɛdeɛ wɔsi akura yɛn mu mfiri sɛ asɛm yi baa yɛ afutuo ne akwankyerɛ ɔde ma yɛn ɛne ayie no nhyehyɛeɛ ho ka nyinaa ɔno ara fa n'adeɛ sɛ ɔyɛ no yie ɔyɛ no de hyɛ no yie kronkronkronkron ɛberɛ a Nana Kukuo hene ne n'abusua nyinaa nso so ɛta n'akyi ama n'akɔ so ɛnso hɔ a nso mediafoɔ nso so yɛbɛda mo ase sɛ ɛnyɛ mo a obi nti deɛ ɛkɔ so ne asɛ sɛ yɛne mu dwumadie no moma no nyɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ fɛnkyɛm a ɛnya ayamhyehyeɛ ne biribiara nkɔtɔ ɔmanfoɔ so ɛtɔ so biom Ghana ban yɛntumi nyina mfiri bɛsiane sɛ ɛnam ne so na the Minister for Sports and Recreation ɔba abɛsra yɛn the Ghana Police Service a ɔpani paa ɔda no de IGP Ewura Akufo Dampare nso so atu ne nan ba kurom ha the regional minister, Dr. Frank Amakwene, the regional police command, the Ghana Football Association, GA company for any adɔfoɔ nyinaa Americans so mean yɛ supporters ɛmfiri mu ɛba yi ɛyɛ wɔn na ɛnya wɔn na ɛsi yɛ si wɔn nan so baabi a yɛkɔ biara ɛna wɔn na ɛkɔ na ɛba ti yɛn nsa kiri ne yɛ supporters nyinaa nso no yɛbɛda mo ase na yɛnim sɛ yie no aka no nso a ɛba so on the 6th of March no so no mo nya yɛ mu mo ne yɛ nyinaa bɛka bom na yɛakora yi ne yɛn akyi korakora ama na ayɛ fɛ na ayɛ kra bɛhwɛ meda mo nyinaa ase.
I remember after the sad incident, the next day on Monday, the fans of Liverpool announced their plans to boycott Manchester United club if safety measures are not put in place. In your speech, you said that even though some are not implemented, you have been convinced that what the FA has been doing. I want to find out, have you guys, the management, engaged the supporters, convincing them to rescind their decision on the matter that they took by boycotting the That's my question. Probably the
All right, me da ase me nua ɛwɔ ka yi a
No.
asɛm no baeɛ no na yɛhu deɛ ɛkɔ nti na ma yɛba out sɛ yɛde yɛn dwumadie nyinaa to hɔ na ma yɛ supporters nso so no ɛbɛka wie ɔno ne mebɛyɛ adwene sɛ nkutahodie bebree akɔ so anamantuo ahodoɔ akɔ so a ɛno nti no yɛntumi ntoa so ara sɛ kyenkyena atwan a yɛnte ase yɛma bɔɔlo bɔnkɔ so ɛyɛ kɔtɔkɔ no yɛtini for football yɛwɔ mmeranteɛ a yɛtwa mu ka yɛwɔ nhyehyɛe bebree ase sɛ yɛyɛ nti yɛgye di sɛ deɛ akɔ soɔ no ɛma yɛnya awerɛhyɛmu sɛ toa so sɛ yɛ adeɛ a biribi papa bɛfiri mu aba nti yɛn ne mu nyinaa na ɛni kɔ ase yɛte da na yɛbɛkɔ so ara de egya agu wɔn so na baabi yɛsɛ sɛ yɛkɔ wie no akɔ wie nti saa gyidie no ne awerɛhyɛmu no ɛna yɛwɔ nti yɛgye di sɛ afei deɛ ɛsɛ yɛma kwan na bɔɔlo sa ɛtoa so.
What about the fans?
What's supporters kita ho bɛn na
supporters no yɛn kɔba nyinaa no biribiara ni hɔ a ɛyi wɔn firi mu in fact meetings ɛkɔ so wɔ secretariat yɛn nyinaa ne mpanimfoɔ ba bi a wɔn nyinaa ka ho nti ɛna wɔn nyinaa na yɛde nkutaho a yɛtumi abɛtu saa ɛgyina yɛ.
Your name, media house, please.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Mohammed. I work with Channel One TV. Your statement, you said you are convinced with the measures that the FA are putting in place for you. In case football resumes and let's say something of sort, or you've not seen any improvement, what will be your decision?
Yes, it is I didn't see any intimate encounter. But it's our right to say, baby, you better ensure that the right things are done. All of us together. So let us hope. Said the associate in the so we shall insist on our rights in several ways. Impo, say, Ekobasa says, I boycott is right. I will.
Enhancement security protocols. As I'm a client say, oh, baby. Now, do one arena security arrangements. Okay, then up to the expert here. Put in a job. And there are so many ways. Right, we assure you that Obi Amfana and then one and to such as right. That's
Protocol was the biggest loser in the club, was at least the club lost a fan. Football is about to resume, but I still believe that protocol still has more to do than any other person. So you have been meeting Alex and the rest. There are thousands of your supporters at home who are people who giving the opportunity to strike. I know what I'm talking about because I'm doing this. So for you as a club, the job on you is even bigger. You that you have lost supporters, you still have a job to ensure that you lost one person, we are all crying. That will be that it will not recur, or your supporters will not provoke to strike. Apart from agreeing to play football, what are you doing so that those 50 supporters, the day that we did the evasion, from one old man who saw Manokwete and asked, "Oh, we can say what only for you." So we swat that thing gave me a certain impression that even though the boy is a protocol player, he still feels that Wakai said we in Swansea what only for you. What can we do so that the fans who are far away from us, not Alex and Chamagi, if I did the wrong fight, I won't football. What can we do to let them feel that we must really forget about the issue that because to our surprise, somebody may strike and then protocol will now be the accused and we have a lot of
That's it. Did kind of the enhanced protocols no? You don't know why Bambo wants him. Ah, a shay in answer, it may be a Juma. The dear Juma, a beboa, it doesn't mean your supporters no more open for Domano. The other no yen chere, any cassa, chere, and as a Mediana, no boy. Now you shall see the name of the meeting with the leadership of the supporters. Now we fear it was war. Name of say, she said, the other knew she any day. To be almost a court today, I could no supporters like us. And here's radio name, various platforms in our education, echoes. But it is a Nippon Dawson. Assemble for an or Yawano soon. Now, that okay, Miss and ne. So for supporters now, I come up with echo from Kakra. It's a receive one. Ye the moment there and I'm on to over management betu. Any second leaders of Nina betu. Efa court in some efa si ehwe se GF ni ma no be yeduma no. So mu say yempa ni fu omo yiye no. Ye hwe ma na yeduma. Giri se obi an ya say okoye bi basa basa bia. Enti me nua obusa ya. Enti kire ne kasa kire. Ene arosemu mbenya wo yimu anamo ya betu afiri na ekono. Enye se ball no na ye de na ye bebo. Na mom no mbo say ampa supporters banifo yi mu management amoda ya no mu ye de yen supporters ye pe ama yen ko isa sam no be di akira amana ko wi nti se ya mana ani emu a ni sa kuma beto ye mu of course yen anso ye wo yen internal security emergency a ye de gugu amu a enso be boye yen ni nyina ne betimi aka na monti but I can assure them say there are a lot of emergency a betimi abo ma ne masisa.
Thank you. Lawyer, so in your joint statement released on 7th February, the two clubs demanded for that bad disaster because having automatic stop the CFS school and the new autonomous. They can share with us.
Well, you know, say I know a buy home. It's the Ministry of Finance. She say any maybe what I say. If you need that class, na name. Na answer your financial card for so. You na ye copy. You know the enemy mo yade. Kwa buy mu abamba ni for a consider no. Metima ka say ho asem nya e mai. Yenim say ye bebo so a ama na wura abatimi.
Yeah, that's a fun and agreeing. Now, we have a fun for Barbara stuff. The people of which I was when I'm involved as a protocol fan, so the back up for us. That's what the DPR have a back of a protocol fan, making that crime and then out. No make when you're GTs and make one of the Sabbath. Where you can say a protocol fan and agreeing.
Okay, that's it. Say the makan. The manfo ekushia ekobobu nsemo efi wono. Yi na high supporters nti yenim the high supporters ni na tie koye no. Enhye ya de tu kwam ni na ye de boss supporters ho bai. Titiro. Titi ebi de say na obekọ match center no. Obabi a home team for mo betra. Away team for mo betra. Ye wo Bambo for no number no ekosoro. Se kan ni pa 20 na baba na bi e de ko 60. Ye was send the police call match ya uncle not once or her ball. The more did any a support no matter na you mu near bear woman. And a pair of me out of medicine and be cancer. I'm going to every cup match, nobody is satisfied with the security arrangement. Really get a quaddy, a because was sensor. In the summer was the no a war cat anymore. Yanya come match, I better say. Home team will be Edma. if you say you're going to Juma, and my question, and for support in answer, and I in Nimra. Dumina Rosimu.
Lawyer, so can't or perfect. Enhanced protocols in safety. There's one aspect which is very important. To me, because I'm not compromising with the GFA for installation of CCTV. Because you can say GFA, no one will say, take the enemy over here and find them. This is a way of but over 17 or I think 16 or 17 stages I bought Ghana Premier League. Currently, they say 2 pet and I buy a vessel. Aqua, the what they are not issue or on into me. I didn't think I would die a chunk of stadium. I'm concentration about 2 pens. I buy a running labor. I'm what's near my final conference CCTV, the enemy, we dying for now. Now, one country was on Yaka, or yes, a 2 now can mean to me there. 14 was a 15, and the other end I ever say, whilst any abiding commerce, Baba, I need to motivate me. ICCTV.
So just by way of information, I know for a fact that security cameras working here at the Barbara Stadium. So for every match Kotoko plays here, the National Signal Bureau, they bring in men to monitor all the security cameras. So for Kumasi, I can tell you that they have it here. So lawyer, you can answer the question.
And then to add to what my brother said, no, and never knew say a combined team of GFA, the Ministry of Sports and Recreation, the National Sports Authority, on local rounds, and the various match venues now. The issue of CCTV camera, no, you need a mukra. Now, if you ask what party na, you move 80%. Your address here, it's only fair. Say, only some be in Yanto. So if you business in the very near future, we shall insist on it. In the same rounds, no minister no more corner so. We do for me as a PM. Yeah, can as a minister so. We are betting about. It may best say in Yamukra, Nimum, Gutaudino Cacrasa, a Quelimuka Cransana, at me Abba. And said the Minakaino. And now the Ghana Police Service in Susu, department, yeah, only focus on sports. Almost the anything we pick intelligence in this animal in account. Clubs, no, so I say, yes, your best sports coordinator, a security coordinator. Oh, no, the original security coordinator, no, by Juma. Then bring your more has a security home, some, you know. A G said, Equanimono, and Yama Bay Kaka. Actually, that's
Right.
After Accra, I'm sorry. But I said, young woman in sent down the March protocols, but I said, see, but upon a house, a kaboom and a craft by. A craft on one aspect, I'm to say, yeah, overlook your TV rights scam. Because you said, Nana, on time, he started this IMC buyer, TV right was until the issue is here, money has come to we demanded for fair and transparent TV rights arrangement. If I don't know, and what was some saying, and I'm moving forward now. Someone said about the Bobo Yuma. Will you go ahead with the normal TV coverage or you still need some improvement on the TV right? Because together, money has come say TV right issue. No. GF in share now on me and mark prepare and bad TV right now. My question.
Medasi. Say the Asemato crowd house, you know, say here pa. In the end, Yamua. But only me now, I can say, I can say, there's no team on TV Zambia, and I'm back. The answer when I ever know. The bank on our rights and quality, then comparison on quality. Any day to say, hey, Kotokono. The end I share matches, you trying to do no idea. And the first say, you this Kakesi. Indeed, in Yanto, there is an imprimpriano, and Naposo, and I said, did be anyone for broadcasting in dinner, and once a akoda. But they carry long term issues now. Any if you better, which is say, the very no.
Okay,
Yes.
question now was higher. Lawyer came in now, but one thing also told me that On the league na share here any broadcast right now. There was a TV station there every na mo kan say o mo twa. Yin na is the way I be fast for you bit my practice sponsors. Aba not every no so it means cannot dey class no. And because of that the every no sacrifice and the percentage what gate process na e che no. Yamfa as a way of to compensate that say club won say more dey. Yes we be twa ko but yin na e kwan fast so a o so bit manya sponsors so so ba no ma beboa. Nti sana 17 na the TV ha na mo kwan ba enye ntokwase e no mo ku yin na we e fa so bebo ama league no so akwachi it menya at my practice sponsors it ma move forward. All right,
Is it a follow up on the TV rights? Then you.
Lawyer, I'm Philemon.
Yeah.
Concerning the CCTV installations, you know that there are some instances where even ordinary supporters or journalists are being disallowed or banned from taking footages at various stadiums. Now the CCTV cameras might have been installed all right. And then these are team officials who are going to man those CCTV cameras. So in case there's any security lapses or any incident that happened at the stadium, how convinced are you that they will certainly bring those footages for the perpetrator to be penalized?
All right. The enhanced match safety now. We will say at the pre-match conference meeting, technical meeting. It says the ever so much in the you tell me all. So if clubs in Nigeria to say and the TV station where cover match now, either the home team and answer waiting behind the quasi about preventing the flow. Kobasa, a bit me am a job on the na asotwe akọ home team so is it no wa baby bia no enhye no asotwe no modu ebetimi ebedite clubs from quote misbehaving and to be rest assured say to be decided at the pre-match we about prevent bia no we to am ye jam match no na what face the consequence it is a club bia mpese because amane no.
Right. And I think say the whole kind now person say security camera no and I say oh no the bobo and your home not home team there a security aspect the security will take over.
Yeah.
And that club official has to be there class
But there is an agency, National Signal Bureau. They are in charge of all those.
and say no region you're more far regional sports security officer and you be in charge for sign them and your club official never that. Right.
Blackson, then later I'll come to you.
Lawyer, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
The condolences from party this.
Right.
Lawyer, your call in Swat Trainer, we go see. I did in Kenya and Tiano, supporters now they were complaining, say, or mobile was. Supporters in you, almost very talented. And these things are also our co be home or say, we found what we the same. It is having a means of Maba, the Sa and Yoman, a Diana Kotoko, Ebe, yet their preventices will be Bani Homa, or Beman the needed treatment. Now, Kobase, or non so called Yoma, who be Cassa, me Pao, we the same, and I also hear the same. Your call or was a minion with way. Protocol security for the general fund, say, oh, chat marching. Some man is media for the animal baby, because you have put this and all that. They prevent us.
Or report to you. But or report to you. It's an incident this year, boss.
Sure, I'll report to mobile later. A poor match in
Lawyer, let me show on say league na and you will be product. Once you more remo say will be product no kwa na kwa kofa. Even your club na able match. Over so like recording match now you have to pay a fee. You want what I say? And to be product the mean is all because you see I'm a both round one I'm a fast one say me try say but that Roma. So I'm saying what I say.
Administrator, let me clarify that. So I'm sure that decision taken by whoever did that might have been an instruction from me. Because usually when the games are going on, the general secretary of the FA, they are monitoring, they're calling, hey, we've seen that someone is streaming, so please stop that. So if it happens that way, it's more than likely that I give the direction to whoever did that to prevent the person from streaming. So it's not as if the security didn't want anybody to, take pictures or whatever. But if you are seen streaming, then I am obliged to make sure that doesn't happen. Whether we have a broadcast rights holder or we have a partner with the GFA, it's their product. So whatever they tell us with regards to streaming, we have to respect that. So I apologize for that, but it was my decision to alert them to prevent anyone from streaming. Thank you.
Yes. And to assure you further, no. If you are never be a coso and maybe a tremor. Nina and the F and I will say, Never be touching the ever be Ramasa. In Gaza Kotoko, 100% away home. Maybe a cosina year, means a VCB, Jimunya that assurance from us.
Siki Kesden. There is this discussion here for Binyan security. There is some military doing away matches or even home matches. And we had an interview where I just said security now or more CC and supporters in the family. Science share no about on board. Someone discussing. So going forward, Binyan security service or military and for personal security service. And I say send for
The security of the team, our team.
Nigeria say, Kotoko Yama out say, go first security for the Abba. You say security wants some abano are taking interest. Abano a bit say a baby sooner say, Yakuba Benes a being say, a buy baby mom, I say, ever go up by on buyer, Abana Bay. Abana is prepared to do that. If it has to take Abana say, Obama extra security now as civil life, but near him, Bomuna, Yakope extra security, yeah. Am I acquire say, Yempe security coordinator, only a buying security for Belize. Now, if he still was a bit in woman, better than Nipemo Abua. Nemo first say, yet the soldier answer police vote to quiet a ban intelligence, yes, or yes, a banner prepare say, Obama, any other club.
And to add up to the whole kind. They say, new enhanced security protocols are happening. They say, Bass no proud, but there were a number of people also with Bass with tax. But what I say, who means me could be a chase or a security, be a club now for finance one year. The club no say, no film run. So who say, will be proud the chase or the Bass and she said, young room to the Cosi, minimum fine 50,000 Ghana cedis. And this is a ban at take over. For our security and in 90, with my security be account. They say, Tim, no report to ya, baby. I want let them know, say, hotel number Saturday no crowd good. That's the day before the match. Remember protection, open the protection. But I don't see whereby a club be say was up for private security. That the man, private security, yeah, allow crime on last day. That's
All right.
So for everybody will get a chance. So for
Please, with regards to security updates, notifications from the other. But aside say all papers, so one will run test. And I say mobile carry a dummy exercise a week or two. And I say mobile train on the day of the match. And I'm going to say they implemented because on paper they're very different. In reality, now it's different. If you are community volunteer, supporters give you the back. Security for never around the buyer can come and then come out running through number of lapses won't say yeah. They try say you rem at this point, time and no, yeah, late 5 minutes, then between them traffic so that you can compare because the BIA paper, I think so on the D-Day, you might face challenges. How are you doing about
that? I just a match you I don't see how when you say you go first greet your better see a bit possible. Just there's a competition. Nemo no amodini na begina pre-match. This is a bit go and before the start of the game, the buy insisting on the right thing to be done. Only the test case. Say you expecting 120 security personnel. Yes, started. I'm young baby. You support you say buy, you say hide your mom go red stands. You say mom kwa, you say young baby. In this test now can no. You better test before the start of the game. Two opposing supporters have been sharing about the feel of it. With us.
Follow up.
Just before the follow up.
Why you now kind of security? See, no, first, I quite say about category A matches. They can share, they can security issues and the match. You see, matches in as an
yeah.
In focus 120, maybe a Wednesday, 129 over the kind of Sunday. To make sure say will be our KBIs. Yes, or the figure for one service. You say no man want as a assistant. Why we assure you say you need party, but I assure you say BB sir is
People are occupying young people. Also, matches. An ambulance being. How is the club taking that up? Something happened, and then there has to be an ambulance taking one of these young lads up. Because a massive team bus in this security will help.
Yeah, in fact, yeah, now you will help us then more. But what can you know? You be here say ambulance na kasa so. Very well. The last match we all witnessed it. Team doctor and assistants in Anum now. But you be here say ambulance no so is enforced because they're very important. Thank you.
Kasa.
Kuma wani yi ne na sai ko da mutu shai rig na ci da rubu da ma bi kun yin ne like rig I need to say
No be free every for no. Yeah, in the two F and him say. We say Emran na di adwuma de so do ba a amamre ne amamre so hia. Yeah, in the e bra be ya hombo ne say yakura edition na chikura. If you go bia no. If any don share ba de ha. E between no nyina atu anamo. The and the even be decided. I don't think that's to speak now. There's any official communication as to when the league will restart. Yeah.
Lawyer, but you Kasa from position just say anytime every frame of someone after the burial. Now, but was any see players they were charged. If I don't come back, will you speak against the charges or you comply with the charges they will?
And administrative issues. If you know, I will quite say you miss our quite two separate player or whoever is involved. Say be you one. As I speak to you now, you have already a defense call. It's left to the FA to come out with its verdict. And the normal administrative cost that we are. And you can abide your so the players know there, as I speak to you now, they're charging them. They're filing a defense. They're trying the outcome.
Any more 3 questions, Blackson? Then Little and Michael will take the last 2. So Blackson.
Actually, only 1 week and indeed only 1 week. More I did say 6 months and I very clear. My update and share no, let's say on the funeral day, then I could complain for them.
You 6 months date when I can it has to Southern holiday. Yiri sɛ saa da na ebetumi aka folo yie paa anɔpa no bɛɛ ahomakye bɛɛ nonum na adeda no a ɔda mpa so a ɔmanfoɔ bɛtumi abɛtwa ne ho ahyia ɛne na di nkira atwa toɔ ebegyina mu ara akɔsi bɛɛ nsia ne fa 6:30 na nkurɔfoɔ abɛyɛ amammerɛ ɔmo abɛkyerɛ adeɛ sɛdeɛ yɛn no adesiedeɛ ɔyɛ desie na afei around 8:30 na asɔrefoɔ nso so atake over na ɔmo de awufo som abɛtoa so na yɛayɛ asɔre no biribiara amammerɛ yɛ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ supporters obi a bɛyɛ biara no other supporters group biara bɛma kwan obiara bɛkyerɛ ne deɛ na ɛbɔ no ndu koraa deɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ yɛapagya mu no de kɔ kurom kukuo mu ɔyɛ dehyɛ obesie no adehyɛ esie ɛne adehyɛ kwan yɛfa sesie wɔ mu nti no ndu no deɛ ɔmo deɛ mo no bɛkɔ kukuo mu na ayie no ahyɛ aseɛ dumienu kɔsi anwummerɛ nsia na yɛwie ɛda koro pɛ sɛdeɛ yɛyɛ yie no ara.
Little, last but one.
So you can do English if you want to do English. The last 2.
My father, you know that this FA, as we communicated to them, will definitely take a date right after the tournament. Probably it will be the weekend after the tournament. Yesterday there was a short the FA Cup has to go. What measures are the club do for putting in place? Be sure that your club retain its form. You know, before the break, there was some winning strike. Just to have defeat to Israel. What are you guys doing in the next weeks to get a team in Bushir so that good form can continue?
Okay, so we are happy that most of the big clubs have fallen down. But we shall not be swollen headed. We can only take lessons from that and treat our next match as serious as possible. I'm sure you're playing with 11 wise. Yeah, also a first division side. So it can also happen to us. So we are fortunate that our brothers have fallen before us. So we will take a cue from that and prepare well for them. As you know, the team has resumed training, and that is the rest of the story is left to the technical team to do his work. And we believe that the form will bounce back as before the incident. We are going all out to win both the league and the FA Cup.
Last one, Michael.
Hi, Michael Asaibo, the Sports here. I have a question in multiple folds, so one for Richard
Right.
and one for you.
Right.
Richard, the question is, the period of inactivity definitely came with cost implications. Are you in any position to tell us the financial cost of not playing competitive football for that period? And a lawyer, prominent amongst your proposal to the GFA, that joint proposal for you has featured that aspect of the league going autonomous. Are you ready to go autonomous? And to what extent have talks proceeded regarding that?
Yeah, so the issue came up when we met the FA as part of our long-term proposals. In principle, the FA has also agreed with us, but steps are still being taken. You see, it's a process. The process has begun, and we make sure that we satisfy all the requirements in order to get there. So we are still in the process. The legal issues are being resolved. The necessary steps are being taken, and I hope that by the time we decide to take over, we would have put all the necessary measures in place. So we rest assured that once the final approval is given, then we shall not disappoint. And then on the issue of financial costs, we have continued to pay for salaries and all other costs.
No additional cost has been incurred.
Yes.
Just our normal
We
duties.
have never relied on gate races, as you know. So in effect, we are in line with our recurrent expenditure. Everything is going on. But by the 20th of this month, we had paid our salaries.
So we are on course. Don't worry.
Right. What do the last one? Last one. Okay, can cover for you.
I'm asking for Nigeria. Please, I would like to know if since the incident happened, if Swatramai club has contact on how the two teams can move for what or the happenings, have they tried to contact the club since the
There hasn't been any official contact from Nswatrema FC to the best of my knowledge, belief, and understanding. We are here to hear from them officially.
Like, is there any plan sort of, because it looks like this incident has brought some bad blood between the two clubs. We all know that football is for sportsmanship and is to preach peace and unity. With Koroko being the senior here, will there likely be an approach from you to try and mend the fractured relationship between the two?
Well, we are not into war with Nswatre, either the football club or the citizens of Nswatre. We are one people. We are only fighting for a just cause. We shall allow the security agencies to do their work. But trust me, the incident has happened already. We treat this as one of those issues, but we shall insist that justice is served. That's why we shall insist on that. We shall not compromise on that. But there's no war between us. Why not? We are still one family in Ghana. The only thing is that we need to satisfy ourselves that you see, the corporates have been brought to book so that to prevent future occurrences. That's why we are seeking for justice. We cannot bring Poli back to life. And we cannot treat Nswati people as our enemies. No. But we shall insist on justice.
Follow up on that? Okay.
Lawyer, you said since the incident happened, you have been bringing treatment with combined with Accra. We saw Asofo in action yesterday. You feel betrayed.
I wouldn't say we feel betrayed. As of folk is a club on its own. We cannot take decisions for them. We join hands to champion a cause. They felt that at a point they had to continue with their activities and we didn't have any control over them. But we are happy that at least they showed some interest in the just cause we embarked on.
Is it a follow up on that? Last question. Then we are out of here. Last one. We are out of here.
Lawyer, whether it's service, Matthias says, first of all, better, mobile after say, yeah, good year. But you get on them. Now, watching after a year, no, a better benefit of person to say,
In the end, football, then Saturday free. Usually, weekend. Yeah, Thursday. So any moment after Thursday, we should be ready to play.
Right. Thank you.